In this video, we are going to see how to convert an integer to a Roman numeral. Introduction. Roman numerals are a numeral system that originated in ancient Rome. They were widely used throughout the Roman Empire and continue to be used in certain contexts today. Roman numerals are based on a combination of letters from the Latin alphabet to represent numeric values. Symbols are typically written from left to right in descending order of a value. If a smaller value symbol appears before a larger value symbol, the smaller value is subtracted. For example, 4 represents 4 and 9 represents 9. If a smaller value symbol appears after a larger value symbol, the smaller value is added. For example, 6 represents 6 and 11 represents 11. A symbol can be repeated up to 3 times in a row to represent the addition of that value. For example, 3 represents 3 and xx6 represents 30. A bar placed above a symbol multiplies its value by 1000. For example, V bar represents 5000. When converting an integer into a Roman numeral, the general process involves finding the largest symbol that is less than or equal to the given number and adding it to the Roman numeral representation. The process is repeated for the remainder until the entire number is converted. Aim. The aim of the Python program is to determine a Python class to convert an integer to a Roman numeral. Algorithm. Step 1. Define the Roman numeral symbols and their corresponding values. Step 2. These symbols include I, V, X, L, C, D and M representing 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000 respectively. Step 3. Start with an empty string to store the Roman numeral representation. Step 4. Iterate through the symbols from the largest to the smallest value. Step 5. Check if the current symbol's value is less than or equal to the given integer. Step 6. If it is, subtract the symbol's value from the integer and append the symbol to the Roman numeral string. Step 7. Repeat the above step while the current symbol's value is still less than or equal to the remaining integer. Step 8. Move on to the next symbol and repeat steps 5 and 6 until all symbols have been checked. Step 9. Return the Roman numeral string. Step 10. Get the obtained result. This is the flow chart for converting an integer to a Roman numeral. We are giving the necessary symbols and the conditions to proceed this process. Sample code. First, we are giving a class-based solution and we are defining into Roman a line for defining a variable. Next, we are giving numbers, integers like 1000, 900, 500, 400, etc. and we giving the symbols as M, CM, D, CD, etc. Then we are getting an empty value for Roman num and we are initializing I equal to 0. Then while num is greater than 0 for I in range num divided by val, then Roman numeral equal to plus or minus symbol of 5 we are assuming and num minus equal to value of 5. Then we are initializing after that I plus or equal to 1. Then we are returning the Roman num. Then after that this process is completed, we are printing the Roman numerals for the integer given till the accepted value. Here we are getting the output as I and M. I represents 1 and M single M represents 1000. So 4M means 4000. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Python program is designed to write a Python class to convert an integer to a Roman numeral. The program employs a series of Python class to convert an integer to a Roman numeral. The algorithm provides a clear and concise decision-making process. The code provides easy ways to convert an integer to a Roman numeral. The program enhances code readability and can be employed in various scenarios where such conversions are required. Thank you.